Okay guys, fold those cushions in half underneath your lower back. We're going to start with mini roll-ups for 20 seconds. Remember, draw those tummy muscles in, round your back into that cushion, tuck that tailbone, do not arch that lower back. Exhale as you lift that foot. Rest for 10 seconds. Okay, cushions underneath your tailbones. Beginners are going to do single leg stretch, improvers double leg stretch for 20 seconds. Now beginners, remember to do one leg at a time. Keep those heads on the floor, guys. Keep those tummy muscles drawn in. Do not arch those lower backs off the ground as your arms and legs reach away. Rest for 10 seconds. Get ready for mini reverse curls for 20 seconds. Cushions underneath your lower back. Press the shoulder blades back into those mat, guys. Use the strength from the full arm, from wrist to shoulder. As your knees come up to your chest, resist the urge to roll the shoulders or lift the head off that mat. Rest for 10 seconds. Okay, a little bit of fun, guys. We're going to do cushion kicks for 20 seconds. Bring that cushion back past your head. Roll your shins up to meet that cushion. Don't lift your head off that mat. Pull in your abdominals, do not push out. Rest for 10 seconds. Get ready for crisscross with pulses for 20 seconds. Now remember, beginners, you can keep those legs in tabletop. Improvers, reach that leg to the far wall. Exhale as you rotate to the side. Make sure your hands are supporting your neck and your elbows stay nice and wide. Rest for 10 seconds. Okay guys, get ready for side planks on your elbows from left to right for 20 seconds. Now you're swiveling from your tippy toes to the side of your foot. Draw those tummy muscles in. Do not let those hips drop too low. We don't want to put any pressure on that lower back. Rest for 10 seconds. Get ready for plank to downward dog for 20 seconds. Now beginners, you don't have to bring those knees forward. Remember guys, don't drop those hips too low. Draw those tummy muscles in. Keeping the shoulders over your wrists as you come forward. Rest for 10 seconds. Last one guys, double knee lifts for 20 seconds. This is a really good exercise for activating your transverse abdominals. Barely rest those knees on the cushion guys, it keeps those thighs active the whole time. Well done guys, take a well-deserved break.